Hello, good evening, good evening. May order tayo, tatlong liempo. Yan. Ang order ng customer is malasado yung egg. Napaka-solid. Thank you po for take out. Take out liempo, thank you. Hungarian take out. Thank you. Thank you. Take out luncheon meat. Take out. Out. Take out. Thank you. Pizza take out. Thank you. Yan po take out. Paluto. Pancit canton. Tatlo. Thank you. For take out, thank you. Order some chicken, some Hungarian. Take out. Pizza. Thank you po. Order. Yan po. For take out. Thank you so much. Yan po, take out. Thank you. Isang hotdog take out. Thank you. Take out, thank you. Order. Dalawang hotdog, dalawang longganisa. For take out, thank you so much. Take out, thank you. To order hot dog, thank you. Order liempo for take out. Take out, thank you. Order liempo, dine in. Liempo ulit for dine in. Thank you. Hello, hello, hello. Liempo for dine in. Thank you. One order pizza Hawaiian. Order dalawang Hawaiian. Isang chicken pepperoni. Thank you. 3 box take out. Thank you po. Order tatlong ham and cheese. Thank you. Take out for delivery. For delivery. Thank you. Picture ako lang po. Thank you po. For take out. Liempo. Liempo take out. Caramel macchiato. Take out. Thank you. Okay. Embutido take out. And then Hawaiian, ham and cheese, isa pa sa loob, bacon yan, bacon. Thank you so much for order. Delivered 3 box. Thank you po. Order isang Hungarian, isang chicken. Thank you.